Find the equation of the line passing through 4, negative 5, and parallel to the line whose equation is y equals negative 2x plus 3. To write down the equation of the line, we need the slope and the point. We know that the line is passing through the point 4, negative 5, and parallel to the line whose equation is y equals negative 2x plus 3. From what we know, the coefficient of x is the slope of the line. And since the lines are parallel, then the slopes would be equal. The slope of the line y equals negative 2x plus 3 is the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. Therefore, the slope of the line we are looking for is also negative 2. The point slope form of the equation of the line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. 4 is our x1 and 5 is our negative 5 is our y1. So all we needed to do now is to plug these numbers into the point slope form. So we get y minus y1, y1 is negative 5, equals m is negative 2, multiplied by x minus x1 is 4. Simplifying this, since you have two negatives here, it will now become positive. So we have y plus 5 equals negative 2 times x minus 4. And this is the equation we are looking for. Let's look at another problem. Line A passes through the points 7, negative 3, and negative 4, positive 2. Okay, let's write it down. So line A passes through the point 7, negative 3, and negative 4, positive 2. Line B is perpendicular to line A. Perpendicular. And line B passes through the points, passes through the point 5, negative 1. We want to find the equation of line B. Again, to write down the equation, we need the slope of the line and the point. We know a point on B, which is 5, negative 1. So all we needed to do is to find the slope. Now, the relationship between the two lines, A and B, is that they are perpendicular. So being perpendicular, the slopes would be opposite, reciprocal of each other. Therefore, to find the slope of line B, we need to know the slope of line A. So the slope of line A, since we are given 2 points, we have to use the slope formula. The slope, which is m, is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 7 is our x1, negative 3 is our y1, negative 4 is our x2, and y2 2 is our y2. And then let's plug in. So you have y2, which is 2, minus y1. y1 is negative 3, over x2 is negative 4, minus x1, which is 7. Simplifying this, we have 2 minus negative 3 is 5, and negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11. So the slope of line A is negative 5 over 11. This is the slope of line A. Now, since they are perpendicular, we say that they are opposite reciprocal. So the signs are opposite. So if the slope of line A is negative, then the slope of line B would be positive. And then reciprocal, that means we have to switch the numerator and denominator. So the slope of line B would be 11 over 5. Then again, we have our point slope form y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Since we are looking for the equation of b, we'll have to use these values. So we plug in y minus y1, which is negative 1, equals m, which is 11 over 5, times x minus x1. x1 is 5. Two negatives will make it positive. So we have y plus 1 equals 11 over 5 times x minus 5. And this is the equation of line B.